Bryan Ray, and we're going to talk a little bit about the shotgun.
I'm using a Benelli M1. This is a gun that I bought at a local gun store about 5 years ago for $650. Put a $110 Nordic tube on it, a Nordic clamp. I took a file on my workbench and just broke the edges of the loading port, and then had a set of sights added to it, and that's really all you need to run. You can actually get by with a little less even on a shotgun. But the challenge of the game of three-gun with the shotgun isn't the gun and getting it set up just right, it's the targets, because we have so many kinds of targets. We have falling targets, slug targets, clay targets. Each require a different load, different distances, different choke selection, multiple loading styles, and all of those things combined make the shotgun probably the most challenging part of three-gun. So with our shotgun shells, I'm using a AP Customs Classic 4 to load out of. I'm kind of a dinosaur in that respect. I have a lot of comfort with loading weak hand because I've been doing it quite a while, and just a little resistive to change. That whole election thing back in 2008 kind of got me scared to change, so I'm sticking with the Classic 4s. This match, generally we use a 2 3/4, 1 1/8 ounce load, 7 1/2s or 8s, depending on the kind of target, the distance, and the weight of that target. Though we may change to either more shell or a higher dram load. And Tyler's going to tell us about some of the other kinds of shot shells we use.
Yeah, we also, depending on target selection, this match actually is not slug heavy at all, so I think there's only one slug target for each shooter at the match, but every match is different. Sometimes we're running a lot of slugs on each stage, or sometimes we even have select loads for buckshot and birdshot separately. The other factor that comes in a little bit is choke selection, and we're going to be shooting plates at various yardages. This stage we just shot was like a 15-yard plate rack, and we kind of saw a split between shooters of IC or modified chokes, and that really is a little bit of personal preference, how much you want to get down on the gun and how much time you want to spend treating it like a rifle or shooting it like a shotgun, and also what load you're running. So the consideration with chokes is distance, and also trying to match the choke you're using to the load that you're shooting out of the shotgun.